welcome to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Anyway, 1 cup of water inside of the pot, and get 1 lemon or lime, whatever you have to use, and simple. Cut them into slices and put it straight inside of the water like this. Now, get a piece of a ginger. Two things, you can either grate your ginger or you can simply just cut it up fine like I'm doing right here. And put it straight inside of the water like this. Now we're going to put this to the boil for roughly about 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically once it boils up, that's what you're looking for. Alright? Now we're going to strain this. Amazing recipe to make at home. Lovely. Get a few pieces of the ginger inside of it. 2 pieces of the lime or whatever you're using. You can use lime or you can use lemon. And now I'm gonna use ½ teaspoon of organic honey. Let's give it a little bit of sweeten. And now just give it a taste. Oh wow, wow, wow. That is emergency. Lovely and nice. Guys, enjoy the recipe. Subscribe. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo News Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipe like this will be coming, and as I said, it's just very unique and nice to have at home. Very simple and delicious. This is good for detoxing, weight loss, and you know what I mean, it's coming up to winter, so basically you need to get yourself prepared. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click in the notification bell to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned and I will see you next time. Bye bye.